Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are looking at something truly massive and truly different. This is the Scania 770S Motorhome, a 3.3 million real luxury home on wheels that has quickly become one of the most talked about vehicles in Brazil. People are calling it the most powerful house in the country, and once you see the numbers behind this machine, you will understand exactly why. So without wasting any time, let us jump straight into this full review for 2026. Let us start with the exterior. The moment you see this Scania 770S in person, the sheer size takes over. This is not your average camper van. This is a full-size truck chassis converted into a rolling apartment. The front end keeps the classic Scania face, with the bold chrome grille, the Scania and Super badges sitting proudly in the center, and sharp LED headlights that give it an aggressive road presence. The windshield is large and curved, giving the driver a commanding view of the road, almost like sitting inside a small aircraft cockpit. Moving along the body, the silver metallic paint gives it a clean and premium look, while the long stretch of tinted windows along the side hints at just how spacious the interior really is. Near the base of the vehicle, you will notice reflective safety stripes, which are required for a vehicle of this length and weight, especially since this thing shares the road with regular traffic every single day. At the rear, the tandem axle setup with dual wheels tells you this is built for serious weight capacity. The back panel is smooth and minimal, with a small rear window and integrated tail lights, keeping the design clean without unnecessary clutter. Now let us step inside, because this is really where the Scania 770S changes the entire conversation. Right up front, the driving cockpit feels more like a luxury truck cabin than a motorhome. You get a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a modern infotainment touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to the vehicle systems. The captain chairs are wrapped in premium tan leather, and they are fully adjustable, so long drives do not feel exhausting at all. Walk a little further back and you step into the actual living space. The kitchen area is compact but incredibly well thought out, with a stainless steel sink, an induction cooktop, a built-in microwave, and a refrigerator, all wrapped in wood-finish cabinetry with soft LED lighting underneath. It genuinely feels like a small modern apartment kitchen rather than something inside a vehicle. Then there is the lounge area, featuring a leather sofa, a fold-down table, and a large flat-screen television mounted on a wood-paneled wall. Big tinted windows line the side, letting in natural light while keeping privacy from the outside world. And finally, the bedroom suite. This is where the luxury really peaks. A queen-size bed with tailored linens, built-in wardrobe closets, soft ambient lighting, and blackout curtains, giving you a 5-star hotel feeling every single night, no matter where you are parked. Now let us talk about performance, because remember, this is a Scania at its core. Under that massive body sits the powerful Scania 770 horsepower engine, the same platform found in their top-tier heavy-duty trucks. That means torque numbers that are almost unheard of in the motorhome world. This is not a vehicle that struggles going uphill or fighting against its own weight. It pulls with authority, cruises smoothly on highways, and handles long-distance travel far better than most people would expect from something this large. The transmission is a smooth automated system, designed for comfort rather than aggressive driving, which makes sense given the purpose of this vehicle. Braking performance is also reinforced, since you are dealing with a considerable amount of weight once the living quarters, furniture, water tanks, and passengers are all accounted for. Suspension has also been upgraded to keep the ride comfortable, minimizing the bouncing and vibration you would normally expect from a heavy-duty truck chassis. Fuel consumption, as you might guess, is not the strong point here, but that is expected and honestly acceptable, given what this vehicle actually offers. This is not built to be efficient. It is built to be a full-time luxury residence that can also drive itself across the entire country. Now, let us address the big question everyone has been asking. The price. This Scania 770S motorhome comes in at approximately 3.3 million Brazilian reais, which converts to a significant sum in almost any currency you compare it to. That price includes the custom-built living quarters, the premium interior finishing, and of course, the Scania engineering and chassis underneath everything. Is it expensive? Absolutely. But when you consider what you are actually getting, a full luxury home, a powerful truck engine, custom cabinetry, and complete customization from the ground up, it starts to make a lot more sense why enthusiasts and collectors are so fascinated by this build. So that wraps up our full review of the Scania 770S motorhome for 2026. A rolling luxury home, powered like a heavy-duty truck, and priced like a serious investment. Let me know in the comments what you think about this build, and whether you would ever consider owning something like this yourself. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another review here on MH Car Review. See you in the next one.